Good morning, my dear students. Before class, we have discussed about the exercise 8.1 and examples. Okay, now today we are going to the second exercise. In this one, we have the two curves, 100%, maximum two curves. First, what is the process is going on? Whenever the two curves is given, maximum, the values of x means ordinates not given. First, we will find the point of intersection of those two curves. After that, draw the diagram, indicate the area, upper curve minus lower curve. For suppose area. Okay, in the same way, first first curve occupies how much area, second curve occupies how much area, we will observe. In this way we will do the problems. First we observe that this is the question number 1. Find the area of the circle which intersect the parabola x square equal 4. Must should first we can find the point of intersection of those two curves. After that we will write the area. Let P be the point. What are the given curves? First observe that what are the given curves means. For suppose here given curves, first our goal is find the point of intersection, means substituting one equation in another, find the values of x and y. Okay, given curves 4x square means here that is 4x square plus 4y square is equal to 9. This is equation of the circle. Yeah, now x square equal to 4y, this is equation of parabola. From this one, that implies here y is equal to x square by 4, my dear students. Y value, this is 2, 2 substitute in 1, what happened? Y value is x square by 4. Now 4x square plus 4 into y square means x power 4 by 16 is equal to 9. 4 ones are 4 fours are, that is equal to 4x square plus x power 4 by 4 is equal to 9, my dear students. Now what is the LCM? 16x square, 9 4s are 36. Okay, overall you have to write x power 4 my plus 16x square minus 36 is equal to 0. Okay, my dear students, factors x power 4 plus 18x square minus 2x square minus 36 equal to 0. Now x square taken common, x square plus 18 minus 2 take common, x square plus 18 is equal to 0. Overall you will take in common x square plus 18 means x square minus 2 is equal to 0. X square plus 18 is equal to 0, or x square minus 2 equal to 0. Now here x square equal minus 18, x is equal root of, it is possible, not possible. Now x square is equal to 2, x is equal plus or minus root 2. Okay, my dear students, x is equal plus or minus root 2. What happened? Y value. Now substitute in the y is equal. Therefore, y is equal x square by 4. What happened? X square by 4 means x square is equal to 2 by 4. 2 by 4 means 100% 1 by 2. Now point of intersection of the curves. First of all, you will take the root 2, root 2 comma 1 by 2 and root 2 comma minus root 2 comma plus 1 by 2. These are the point of intersection of the curves, my dear students. Okay, now what we do? First we draw the diagram, after that indication of this point of intersection we will write, after that we discuss x values. You know the x value minus root 2 means vertical line left side, x value root 2 means vertical line right side. Okay, now what is the going on here? Observe that first we will take the circle 4x square plus, what is the given circle here? 4x square plus 4y square is, whenever you take the ordinates 100% the function in terms of that one. So divided by 4, what happened here? X square plus y square is equal to 9 by 4. Now center is 0 comma 0, radius is 3 by 2. Okay, my dear students. Now x square equal to 4y. It is symmetric. X square plus y square means symmetric on the both the axes. Clearly observe that. Observe that the diagram is going on in this way. This is the circle. It has 100% the center. Center 0 comma 0. This is the radius. Radius is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means this is a 3 by 2 comma 0. Okay, my dear students. Now this is the x square equal 4y. X square equal x power is even. X power is even means symmetric on y axis. x power is even. Okay, my dear students, this way. But suppose what is root to one point? This is 0, this point is there. What is this point? This point. This is first coordinate, this is second coordinate. What happened this one? This is first, second coordinate means this line is possible. You draw this line. Now you will find the area which intersect the value. Now you can find this area only, this area only, this area. Okay, upper curve minus lower 100%. Okay, from here this is called root 2. Here this is right as x is equal, this is root 2. Why? Here point of intersection under root 2, x is equal to minus root 2, sorry, this one. Left side, distance is minus root 2 means x is equal to here minus root 2. Here 100% point of x value, you observe that this is x is equal to root 2. Now area means here in between the area is there upper minus lower. Minus root 2 to root 2. Root 2 to root 2 means whenever it is okay. Now write the area. A is equal to here minus root 2 to 2. Actually from here to here to same. This is 100% even function. Okay. What about upper curve means this is the upper curve. Upper curve is circle. What the circle is going on? Circle is going on y square means 9 by 4 minus x square means 3 root over here observe that root over. What is going on here? 9 by 4 means 3 by 2 whole square. 3 by 2 whole square minus x square dx. This is upper curve minus lower curve. What the lower curve is going on? Y value. Here also y value. X square by 4 dx. I hope that you understood or not. Yeah. Now what is going on? Here minus a to a means even or odd function. 100% instead of x we write 100% even function. Here x square is there, here x square is there. Even function means 2 into. Otherwise you write 0 to root 2. This side how much occupied, this side also how much occupied, means 1 plus 1, 2 areas. Okay, that equal 2 into 0 to root 2 root over 3 by 2 whole square minus x square minus x square by 4 dx. Okay, my dear students. Here 2 into 0 to root 2. Here formula root over a square minus x square. Yesterday, okay, last 3 classes I used a number of times this formula. 2 root over a square minus x square formula. Therefore 2 into formula is 1 by 2 into x into root over a square minus x square, 9 by 4 minus x square plus a square. A square means 9 by 4 sin inverse of x by a, x by a, x by a, x by 3 by 2. What are the limits is going on? 0 to root 2 minus here 2 into this one, 2 into 2 by 4 integral of x square means x cube by 3 limits 0 to root 2. My dear students, I hope that you understood or not. This is 2 also including this one also. Now these 2 cancel, these 2 ones are 2 2s are cancel, my dear students. Upper limit, what happened here? Upper limit is root 2 into 9 by 4 minus 2. Here this value 9 by 4 minus root 2 whole square means 2. 9 minus 8 1 by 4. 1 by root of 1 by 4 means 1 by 2. Okay, plus upper limit I write first 9 by 4 into sin inverse of x value is root 2, 3 by 2 denominator means 2 root 2 by 3. Okay, this is over. Upper limit is over. Lower limit, observe that this is 0 and something 0, sin inverse of 0. Total lower limit is 0. Okay, it is over. Minus 1 by 2 into upper limit root 2 whole cube. Root 2 whole cube means root 2 whole square into 2 root 2 by 3. Okay, lower limit is 100% 0. What happened to this one? This 2 cancel. This is root 2 by 3. This is root 2 by 2. Okay, root 2 taken common. Root 2 by 2 minus root 2 by 3. Okay, now root 2 taken common. What happened? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus 9 by 4 into sin inverse of 2 root 2 by 3, my dear students. What happened this one? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 means 1 by 6. Root 2 by 6 plus 9 by 4 sin inverse of 2 root 2 by 3. This is area occupied by the area. In this way, we will do the problems. Okay, my dear students. Yes, students, the second question is going on. Find the area bounded by the curve x minus 1 whole square plus y square equal to 1 and x square plus y square equal to 1. First, we can find the point of intersection of those two curves. After that, I will draw the diagram. Okay, what are the given curves? Observe that clearly. Given curve x minus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to 1. This is equation number 1. Okay, from here y is equal to y square equal to 1 minus x minus 1 whole square, y equal to root of. Okay, here x square plus y square is equal to 1. From here y square equal to 1 minus x. Substitute this equation number 2. This value y square value here, y square equal to 1 minus x square. Substitute here in this one. Okay, now x minus 1 whole square plus y square means 1 minus x square is equal to 1. 1 1 cancel here. That implies a minus b whole square formula. X square minus 2x plus 1 minus x square is equal to 0. Minus x square plus x square is equal to 0. Minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Now 2x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 by 2. X is equal to 1 by 2 means what about y? Y square equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 means 3 by 4. Y equal plus or minus root 3 by 2. Now we are going to the diagram. What the diagram is going on, clearly observe that. Okay, my dear students, don't okay, I will write here. Now we draw the diagram. I have the x ordinates are there, means this is right side. Circle here, observe that one thing you observe that here, this is circle. The center of this circle is this is 1 comma 0. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Here radius, this radius is equal to 1. This is the center of the circle is 0 comma 0. This radius also is equal to 1. Okay, my dear students, observe that here in this way. Now first you draw the circle. Center is 0 comma 0, radius is 1. This center 100% radius is 1. Radius, this is origin. Radius is 1 means 100% this is 1 comma 0. Now second circle, what happened? Center is 1 comma 0 means 100% center is here. Radius is how much? 1 means here radius. Now draw this other circle. This. I hope that understood or not. Yeah, this point of intersection, this is called clearly is given 1 by 2 comma root 3 by 2. This is P, 1 by 2 comma root 3 by 2 means what happened this one, this is 100% 1 by 2. Now observe that this, okay, this block, I draw the block area curve. This is curve is y is equal to root over here from this one, y is equal to root over 1 minus x minus 1 whole square. Okay, my dear students. Now red curve, what is the red curve? Y is equal to root over 1 minus x square. Okay, my dear students. Now area is upper curve minus lower curve not. Here it is divided into this part and this part. From 0 to 1 by 2 use this curve. Next 1 by 2 to this curve, red curve means this curve. Upper and lower is same. Now area is equal to 2 into 100%, right? 2 into first 0 to 1 by 2. Why write the 2? Above and below. 0 same, occupied by the same. 0 to 1 by 2. What the curve is going on? Root over 1 minus x minus 1 whole square dx plus 2 into again 1 by 2 to 1 root over 1 minus x square dx. Okay, my dear students, I hope that you understood or not. Yes. Okay, I hope that you understood or not. Yes, 2 into. Okay, my dear students. Now what is the formula is going on? Here 2 into root over a square minus x square formula, 1 by 2 into x into x means here x minus 1 into root over 1 minus x minus 1 whole square plus a square means 1 sin inverse of x by a, x minus 1 by 1, limits 0 to 1 by 2 plus 2 into this is also formula same, root over a square minus x square 1 by 2 into x into root over 1 minus x square plus sin inverse of x, limits 1 by 2 to 1. Carefully you are substitute, my dear friends, carefully. Here 2 cancel, here 2 cancel. Okay, upper limit is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1 means here minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1. 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4, root 3 by 4 means root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 minus sine inverse of minus 1 by 2 means minus pi by 6. This is upper limit minus lower limit 0 minus 1 minus 1. 0 minus 1 means minus 1 whole square means 1. 1 minus 1 is 0 plus x value is 0. 0 minus 1 means minus 1. Sine inverse of minus 1 means minus pi by 2. Okay, my dear students, this is over. Plus here 1 0 0 plus sine inverse of 1 means pi by 2. Upper limit is over minus lower limit 1 by 2 into here 1 minus 1 by 4 means root 3 by 2 plus sine inverse of 1 by 2 means pi by 6. Okay, my dear students. Now that is equal to minus root 3 by 4 plus pi by 6. Here minus is there, minus plus here minus, sorry, this is minus pi by 6. Here minus pi by 6, sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. Okay, this is minus into minus plus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 minus root 3 by 4 minus into plus minus pi by 6. Here 90 plus 90, 180, 30, 30, 60, 180 minus 60, 120. 120 means 2 pi by 3. Root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 2 root 3 by 4 means root 3 by 2. That is the required area, my dear students. In this way, we will complete the problems. Okay. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the third problem. What the third problem is going on? Find the area of the region bounded by the curves. Here two curves is given, y is equal to x square plus 2 and y is equal to x. And ordinates also given. We cannot find the point of intersection. Just to draw the diagram. What is the given curve? What is the upper curve or lower curve or split the area? We don't know. Now what is this going on given curve? Curves. Y is equal to x square plus 2. Y is equal to x and we know. Y is equal to x, no, x is equal to 3 means x is equal to vertical line. X is equal to 3 means y axis, x is equal to means right side 3 units of distance, vertical line. Now we will take the axis. Clearly observe that these are the coordinate axis. Okay, my dear students. Now we are going to the, actually there is no plus 2 per suppose. Y is equal to x square. X power even means 100% symmetric on y axis. Here plus 2 is there means 100% distance 0. For suppose here 1, here 2, here the distance, here in this way. This is okay, my dear students. Next observe that y is equal to x. Y is equal to x means this one. Here y is equal to x. What is given? X is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 means this line, y axis. Next x is equal to 3. 1, for suppose 2, this is 3. X is equal to 3. Now this is extend, x is equal to 3 line. Now in between the area, in between area means 0 to 3, this one, this is x axis, this is the curve, this is the curve. In between area means we will find this area. Okay, my dear students, this area we will find means 0 to 3, upper curve minus lower curve. The required area is equal area region bounded by the curves is equal 0 to 3. What is the upper curve? X square plus 2 minus lower curve is what is y value. Only we write the y value x. Here dx. Have that you understood or not? Yeah. Integral of x square means x cube by 3 plus 2x minus x square by 2. Limits 0 to 3. Upper limit is 3. 3 cube 27 by 3 means 9. Okay, my dear students. Plus 6 minus 9 by 2. Lower limit 100% 0. Okay. 15 minus 9 by 2. 30 minus 9 by 2. That equal 21 by 2 square units. Now area is equal 21 by 2 square units. Very simple problem, my dear student. In this way we will do the problems. Okay, my dear students, observe that very important problem. 100% this time also we will get the one question from area of the triangle. This one, using integration, using using integration, using integration, find the area of the region bounded by the triangle whose vertices are. In this way, 100% in the same way. First, what we do already before class I explained. Okay, clearly. First, we will indicate the points. The points lies in which coordinate must should first we indicate. After that, whenever the points is given, compulsory we can find the sides, equations of the sides, AB side, BC side, CA side. Okay, my dear students. First, I hope you understood or not. 100% what are the points? -1, comma 0. It is the lies on the whenever y coordinate 0. This is the negative lies on negative x-axis. 1, comma 3, 3, comma 2. These two points lies in the first coordinate. Okay, both are positive in first coordinate. Observe that, my dear students. Here this is y-axis, this is x-axis. Suppose this is first point. Suppose 0. This is -1. Suppose here this is -1, comma 0. This is -1, comma 0. This point is A. Okay. Next one comma. First of all, this is 1. This is 2. This is 3. Here also write down 1, 2, 3. Okay, my dear students. Now first one point is 1, comma 3. 1, comma 3 here. This is B, per suppose 1, comma 3. Next 3, comma 2. X value 3, y value 2. 3, comma 2 here, per suppose. This is per suppose C. This is 3, comma 2. Now joining these points, what happened? These all points first join. This one, A. Next this one. Now area of the triangle means we will find this area. Okay, my dear students. This borders, red borders area we can find. First, suppose observe that here 1, comma 3 is there, means here -1 is there. Here 1, comma 3 means this is compulsory x value. This is vertical line, that is okay. This is x is equal to 1 means this is vertical line. Okay, my dear, this is x is equal to 1. Yeah, this is the vertical line. This total distance is okay 3. This is y is equal to 3, no problem at all. But this is x is equal to 1. Okay, my dear students. Here next, here observe that this is 100% 3 vertical line. Here observe that first for always we find the area with respect to x-axis. Here -1 to 1, again 1 to 3. 1 to -1 to 1, which line? -1 to 1. -1 to 1 means this is AB line. Next 1 to 3, which line? BC line. 1 to 3, observe that BC line means the area from this one to this one. But we want the area only red borders, means we subtract this one from here. 100% -1 to 3 this side. What is the side? AC. Now first find the equation of AB. How to find the equation? Here this is A, this is B, this is C. Now I hope that understood or not. Here first we will find the area -1 to 3. First here B value is there. This is means 100% x is equal to 1. -1 to 1, 100%. This is the line. -1 to 1. Okay, my dear students. What happened? -1 to 1. After that 1 to 3 we will find. That means we will find the area from here to here. But we don't need this area, this lower portion. That's why subtract -1 to 3 this area, means side AC area we will subtract. Now first we will find the equation of AB. Now A means what is the A? A means -1, comma 0. B means 1, comma 3. This is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. Now equation of AB is equal to, you know the formula? The equation of AB means y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. You know the formula or not? The equation of line passing the 2 points. You know, I think y minus y1 means 0. Okay, by y2 minus y1, 3 minus 1, 3 is equal to x minus x1 means x plus 1 by x2 minus x1, 1 plus 1 means 2. Therefore y is equal to 3 by 2 into x plus 1. It is over. This is equation of AB. Next I am going to equation of BC. Equation of BC, same formula. BC, observe that BC, here clearly observe that y minus BC, y minus y1, y minus 3 by y2 minus y1, 2 minus 3 means minus 1, x minus x1, x minus 1 by 3 minus 1 means 2. Here 100% y is equal to, okay, minus x plus 1, minus x plus 1, minus x plus 1 by 2. Here minus 3 this side, plus 3. Okay, my dear students. Okay, what happened this one? Y is equal to minus x plus 1 plus 6 by 2. Y is equal minus x plus 7 by 2. That is equal, y is equal minus x by 2 plus 7 by 2. No problem at all. Okay, y is equal to minus x by 2 plus 7 by 2. That is equation of BC. Next we are going to equation of AC. AC. Now y minus 0 by y2 minus y1 means 2. X minus x1 means x plus 1 by x2 minus x1 means 4. Now y is equal to 2 by 4 means 1 by 2 into x plus 1. Okay, my dear students, no problem at all. Okay, we will take this is also no problem. Why I take this? Y is equal minus of minus 1 by, sorry, plus 1 by 2 into minus x plus 7. No doubt. Okay, now area. How to write the area? Now equations, we complete the equations. Yeah, all equations is over. Now area is equal, what I am telling you, area is equal area of triangle ABC, region bounded by the coordinate axis, that is equal to, from first minus 1 to 1 you take this side, integral of minus 1 to 1, here minus 1 to 1 this side, from always you will take the curve, ordinates and x-axis. Here minus, this value is 100% minus 1, minus 1 to 1 100%, this is the x-axis, these two are the ordinates, this is about the curve, upper curve. Okay, after that subtract the lower curve, no problem. Okay, minus 1 to 1, what is that one? 3 by 2 outside you will write 3 by 2 x plus 1 dx, it is over, plus 1 to 3 side is BC, upper curve, plus 1 to 3 BC. What is BC? Here 1 by 2 outside, minus x plus 7 dx. Now minus subtraction, minus 1 2 3 AC. AC means, where is AC? 1 by 2 right outside, x plus 1 dx, my dear students. I hope that you understood or not. Yeah. Now 3 by 2 into integral of x plus 1 means x plus 1 whole square by x plus 1 whole square by 2. Integral of x, totally consider this one. This is minus 1 to 1 plus 1 by 2 into, this is also minus x plus 7 whole square by 2 into minus 1. Limits 1 2 3 minus 1 by 2 into, this is x plus 1 whole square by 2. Limits minus 1 2 3. Now what happened? This one, observe that this is equal 3 by 2 into, what is the upper limit? Upper limit is 1. 1 plus 1, 2 square, 4 by 2 means 2. Lower limit 100% 0, x value minus 1. Plus here plus into minus 100% minus 1 by 2 into minus 2 means minus 1 by 4. Upper limit how much? Write down clearly. Upper limit is 3. Minus 3 plus 7. Minus 3 plus 7. Minus 3 plus 7 means 4. 16. Lower limit is 1. Lower limit is 1 means minus 1 plus 7 means 6. 6 square means 36. Okay. This is minus 1 by 4 into, here upper limit is 3. 3 plus 1 means 4 square means 16. Minus lower limit is minus 1 plus 1, 0. What happened? This is 2 2 cancel, 100% 2 2 cancel. Okay, my dear students. Now 3 minus, here 16 minus 36 into minus 20. Minus 1 by 4 into minus 20. Minus 1 by 4 into that is 16, that equal 3 minus means what is this one, 3 plus 5 minus 4, 8 minus 4 means 4 square units. Area is equal to 4 square units. In this way we will complete the problems, my dear students. Okay, my dear students, here same, find the area of the triangle, but here lines was given. Okay, no problem at all. Lines was given means we will take the first, we will take the vertices means point of intersections. For suppose this is equation number 1, generally this is equation number 2, this is equation number 3, solving to find the values of x and y. Let A be the point of intersection of 1 and 2. How to find any one method, cross multiplication method, or here 1 and 2, observe that here y LHS equal, that means you take the RHS, 2x plus 1 is equal to 3x plus 1. Okay, from 1 and 2 observe that y is there. Okay, here 2 cancel, 2x is equal to 3x. Okay, now that means x is equal to 0, 100%. 3x minus 2x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 means y value how much here? X value is 0 means 2 into 0, 0, 1. 3 into 0, 0 plus 1, 1. Therefore, whenever x is equal, if x is equal to 0, 100% you are substitute in this one, y value is equal to 1. That is the point of intersection. A means A 100%, 0, comma 1. This is lies on the y axis. Now, let B be the point of intersection of 2 and 3. Okay, 2 and 3, observe that, my dear students, here x is equal to 4 clearly is there. Y value what happened? Y is equal to 3, 4. 3 into 4 plus 1, that equals 13. Y value is equal to 13. Okay, my dear students, what happened this one? Therefore, B is equal to 4 comma 13. Okay, my dear students. Now, let's see be the point of intersection of 1 and 3. 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3. Now x value already 4 is there. Y is equal to 2 into 4 plus 1. That equal to 4, the 8 plus 1 means 9. Now C is equal to 4 comma 9. Okay, my dear students. 4 comma 13, 4 comma 9. Now you draw the diagram. After that you write the area. Okay, my dear students. Now what are the values of x means here 0. 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Okay, here you will take 2 in this way, 4, 6, 8. Okay, extend, no problem. Okay, 10, no problem, 12, 14. In this way we will take. Okay, now first point is 0 comma 1. A 0 comma 1 means here in this place. Here clearly observe that this is A 0 comma 1. Okay, my dear, here this point. After that, what is B? B is 4 comma 13. Here 4 comma 13 here in this place, 100%. Here 13, here 13 in between. This is B, 4 comma 13, 100%. Next, what about C? 4 comma 9. 4 2 9 here. 9 9 9 means here. This is C. Here same way C 4 comma 9. Now joining these points, this one, this one, this one, we'll find this area. This is 100%. Now extend this one. This is 4. X value 4 means this is vertical line. Okay, now we'll find the area 0 to 4 only. Now third line not is missing. Okay, x is equal to 4. Okay, this one here 1 comma 0, here 0 to 4. First we will find the upper curve with the x axis minus lower curve, upper curve minus lower curve. What about this AB and what about this BC? No need, sorry, AC, AB and AC. AB, point of intersection of AB means what is this 0 comma 1 and 4 comma 13. 0 comma 1, Okay, equation of AB, solving what is going on equation of AB 0 comma 1 and 4 comma 13, equation of AC. In this one, what is the equations of that one? Okay, clearly observe that this is 100%. I hope that BC equation 100% x is equal to 4. Here clearly given x is equal to 4. Here clearly given. What is the equation of AB? 0 comma 1 4 comma 13 satisfied. Equation of AB is 0 comma 1 4 comma 13 means common. Here 1 2 2 3. Second equation. This is y is equal to 3x plus 1. This equation is 100% y equal to 3x plus 1. Okay. Here this equation 100% y is equal to 2x plus 1. Now area is equal, simply right. Now area is equal to, from 0 to 4, 0 to 4 upper curve, this is 3x plus 1 dx, minus from this one to this one area, but we want this area only, this green color borders only, this one. Now this shading area, this one only, this one only, this one, we want this area only. Okay, my dear students. Okay, now upper curve with the x-axis. Now lower curve is, what is that? AC means integral, same limits, 0 to 4, 2x plus 1 dx. What happened this one? Now this is integral of x, means 3x plus 1 whole square by 2 into 3. Why 3? 3x derivative, limits 0 to 4, minus here 2x plus 1 whole square by 2, actually formula. Integral of x means x square by 2, 2x derivative is 2. What are the limits? 0 to 4. Now 1 by 6 into upper limit is 4. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13 square means 13 square means 169, minus lower limit is 3 into 0. 0 plus 1 means 1, minus 1 by 4 into here upper limit 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9 square. 9 square means 81, minus lower limit is 1. 168 by 6 minus 80 by 4. Okay, my dear students. What happened this one? 168 by 6 means this is equal 6 1s are 6 2s are 12. Okay, 28 minus 20, that equal 8 square units. Now area is equal 8 square units, my dear students. I hope that you understood or not. Yes. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next question. Area lying between the curves, y square equal 4x and y is equal to 2x is. Here also same two curves is given. Now first we will find the point of intersection of the two curves. After that draw the diagram. Now given curves y square is equal to 4x, y is equal to 4x, y is equal to 2x. Substitute this value here, 4x square, y value substitute in this one, y is equal to x, 2x whole square, 4x square is equal to 4x, 4 cancel, that implies x square minus x is equal to 0. Now taken common x minus 1 equal to 0. Now x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1. X is equal to 0 means y equal to 0, x is equal to 1 means y. What are the point of intersection of the curves? 100%. X is equal to 0 means y is equal to 0, means 0 comma 0 and 1 comma 2 is the point of intersection. How to draw the y square equal 4x is there, clearly observe that here. This is the y axis, this is x axis. Y square equal 4x, y power even means totally 100% in this way. Y is equal to x, it is passes through the origin 100% here. This is 0 comma 0, this point is P 1 comma 2. We draw the perpendicular here 100%. This is x is equal to 1. Here 0 to 1. Now we want the area, this shaded area means upper curve minus lower curve. Now area is equal to, this is the point of intersection of the curves. Now the required area, A is equal to 0 to 100% 1. What is the upper curve? Y is equal to root 4x means 2 root x, minus lower curve means 2x dx. Now here 2 taken common out. Integral of root x means 2 by 3 x root x, limits 0 to 1. 2 taken common, x square by 2, limits 0 to 1. 4 by 3, upper limit is 1, lower limit is 0. Okay, minus these two cancel, upper limit is 1, that equal 1 by 3 square units, my dear students. Area is equal 1 by 3 square units. Okay, my dear students, in this way we will do the problems. I hope that you understood or not. 100%. I hope that you understood the problems. Okay, my dear students. Next, we are going to the tomorrow class. We are going to the next one is the some more examples and miscellaneous problems. Okay, my dear students. Thank you, one and all.